The on-track planning process is the perfect way to stay organized throughout the school year. With this method, it'll be easier to keep track of your daily goals, homework, and activities. Choose the goals you want to achieve. Think of everything happening at home or school this month and organize everything into weekly goals or tasks. This may include anything from chores to birthdays, spelling tests to reading assignments. Break up your monthly goals into smaller steps. These smaller steps will make it easier for you to come up with a plan for how to achieve your goals. Use weekly goals as the smaller steps needed to complete your monthly goals. When you plan out your weekly goals, the process of achieving your monthly goals goes more smoothly. Write what you need to achieve in order to complete your goals. Jot down important dates, reminders, and assignments each week. Writing down each of these things will help you stay organized and put you on the path to success. Plan each step to get things done. Start small. Focus on the work that you need to finish first along with your most challenging task, like your monthly goals. Breaking your tasks into smaller pieces will make it easier to complete what you need to get done. Mark what you've completed and think about how you'll plan in the future. Check off the work that you finished and make plans to complete any unfinished tasks. Reflect on your planning habits for the week and see if there's anything that you can change when planning in the future. Now you're ready to develop the best time management skills this school year. Stay on track with the on-track planning method.